Good morning. Welcome back. How you doing? I'm in Phoenix. It's already 95 degrees and it's 6 a.m. but I was chosen to shoot. I got the X-T5 with me along with the 27mm f2.8 RWR, and I have the Nikon FE film camera with Fujifilm ISO 200 color film in it, and we're going to see how Fuji digital versus Fujifilm film work out. Let's get it. Been out here for about an hour. I am already sweating my butt off, if you can see, but I'm out here doing it for you guys. All right, I'm gonna put this actually on this neck mount, and we're gonna see how this works and see if I don't look like a total moron. All right. All right, we are going to walk the streets right now. I got the FE in my hands. If I was closer to that girl that's walking, I would be shooting that. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try it anyway. Of course, you know, with film, I just wasted that's $1 right there. That just cost me. Oh goodness. It's like one of my favorite alleyways to go down because of the graffiti or wall art. Yo, there's this cool R2D2 right here. I took another one while I got closer. It's a different subject. See what it turns out to look like. I feel like I get stared at by everybody. Being an introvert is the worst. Got the 50mm on here right now. I love this thing. Just keep it at an infinity focus. I'm at f2.8 to f4. Then I just dial the focus in. Infinity focus is good enough because if your subject is more than 10 feet away, it's almost close to in focus if you're at f4 or higher. So it gets me close throughout. Took another shot of the couple walking across with the building in the backdrop. I thought it was cool looking. All right, let's see, where are we gonna go next? Sure, this is riveting footage, guys, riveting. I wish I lived in a denser city. I feel like there's really not a ton to photograph here. I've been coming here for years now at this point. I feel like maybe I take it for granted a little bit, honestly. I don't see things. I would love to get out here with a photographer from a different city and just see through their point of view. Oh, that'd be awesome. If anyone comes to Phoenix, let me know. Maybe I'll do a Roman Fox style interview with you. That'd be cool. I probably shot this mural a billion times, but I've never shot this shot with San Carlos in the background. That's kind of cool, actually. I gotta tell you, this film camera helps me see different perspectives that I just wouldn't see before. It's weird. Oh, that's kind of cool with the Westford building right there. All right, this roll is done. Time for some satisfying film winding. Oh yeah, I'm sure this is loving this. Still, there it goes. I was like, well, they free up. All right, this roll is done. I'm gonna leave it in there until I get home, but it is done. Let me switch over to the other camera. I'll be right back. One of the tips I want to talk about being an introverted street photographer is first come out here, shoot the architecture, shoot just the urban backdrop. Don't aim your camera at people's faces because people tend to look at you when you do that. When I first came out, that's what I did. Or what I would do, I would like aim at something over here, get everything lined up, and then move over to my subject and take the shot. Aim here. Okay. Say the subject is the fire hydrant. I'm getting my camera set up, then I get over here, aim, take a shot, and I keep looking. And what they think you're doing is you're scanning for a shot. They don't know that you're actually took a shot of them. This guy's kind of perfectly lit up. That's where I used to work out at. I live down here. Look at that shot. Very minimalist shot, I like it. Here's footprint, home of the Suns. Gotta be a Suns fan, yay. And then Chase Field is down there. I'm trying to get over there to where that light is. That's one thing you gotta do as a street photographer. You're chasing light. There's tall buildings, and so you're gonna have to walk till you get into that good light. Try to find that negative space too in your photo. It's a lot to do, especially when you're in the city. You're doing a lot of walking to make it happen. That's one thing about a digital camera. I just took like 8 shots of that. I took one with my film camera as I passed by earlier. So, I mean, that's the only downside. Hey, I still would rather have a film camera. I felt way more inspired. As soon as I put that film camera in my hand, I felt more inspired than when I carry this. But I think it matters more. Photography matters more when your shots, have to be planned out. We are almost to the end of this journey. It is hot. At least I'm gonna start making my way back to the car. Making my way downtown, walking fast, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. We have some decent shots today, I think. I'm hoping it'll at least provide some kind of comparison between the two. This is like kind of really cool. See the light and shadow, negative space, dark space. I just need like a subject to walk through this. That would be super cool. I've taken this shot before, I'm not gonna lie. It'd be nice if there was a subject walking through it. Nice leading lines, obviously, from the lines in the ground, the tunnel, the columns leading that direction. There's leading lines everywhere. It's cool. All right, yeah, I am overheating. It's time to go home. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you back in the studio. Welcome back to the studio, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that POV video. I really enjoyed taking the Nikon FE out with the Fujifilm film stock in it and comparing it to the digital color science of Fuji X-T5. I know it's not an apples and apples comparison. I mean, after all, it's a 1979 camera versus a 2022 camera. Lots of technology advancements since then in a lot of different ways. But honestly, Fujifilm has a heritage of great color science and film stock from years ago, and I really just wanted to see how their new cameras relate to the film stock. There's a lot of variables going to play, like for example the Nikon FE is a 45-year-old camera with a 45-year-old lens, so there's a certain patina. That brings me to a point. One thing I really noticed in the film photos is something I've not seen on any digital camera to date, aside from Leica. And that's that 3D pop, people call it, or micro contrast. The photos at this film stock, in combination with the Nikon FE, were fantastic. Is there grain? Yes. Is it perfectly in focus every time? No. But the look is just something you just can't replicate in a digital camera. You just can't. aside from Leica. Now, I've seen the Leicas do it. I'll post a few photos that I shot with the Q2 last year, and that might be foreshadowing something coming up later this week, but we'll leave that for another video. And that's not saying that the Fujifilm X-T5 disappointed me. I wasn't disappointed in the photos that came out of the X-T5. The X-T5 is a fantastic camera that produces fantastic images. I'm just saying that I just love the way the film stock looks in comparison. I'm just saying that if I had to choose one, okay, I said the Nikon ZF, but now I'm saying the Nikon FE. I just prefer the shots shot on the Nikon FE. I just love the vintage look. There's just something about them. But that's something that I'm hoping that I can achieve on the Nikon ZF with vintage lenses using the FTZ adapter. So only time will tell if I'm able to do that. And if I am, I'm not so sure if these Fuji cameras are going to be here for much longer, to be honest with you. No, I'm kidding. I sell too many phone cameras. Well, more on that on another video. But for now, that's it for this one. I hope you guys really enjoyed the footage, and I hope you enjoyed the photos. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave them. Be kind to each other. Until the next one, see ya. Peace. Fujifilm ISO 200 film stock and the Nikon. Nope. All right, we're a minute in, we haven't done shit yet. All right, guys, welcome back to the studio. I really just wanted to have a good reason to get out and shoot. Fujifilm's color ISO 200 film stock is actually just Kodak Gold repackaged these days. So there's two points I want to make with that. What was my other point? I don't even remember. What was my other point? All right, I'm starting all the way over again. We are 3 minutes in and we haven't done shit yet. Okay,